In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Find and Replace in Google Sheets on your desktop, so you can quickly locate and update data in your spreadsheet. Let's get started by opening your Google Sheet in a desktop browser. Make sure the sheet you want to edit is visible on your screen. This feature is great for cleaning up typos, standardizing names, or updating outdated terms across a large dataset without scrolling through hundreds of rows. At the top of your screen, click the Edit menu. From there, choose Find and Replace. This opens a small window that controls how Google Sheets searches your data and what it replaces. You'll see two main fields, Find and Replace With. In the Find field, type the exact value you want Google Sheets to look for. This can be a word, a number, or even just part of a word. If you're searching for something very common, try to be as specific as possible to avoid changing the wrong cells. It also helps to watch out for extra spaces or different capitalization, since those can affect what gets matched. Next, in the Replace With field, type what you want to use as the new value. This step is optional. If you're only trying to locate items without changing them, you can leave this box empty and simply review the matches. If you do plan to update the data, enter the corrected text or number here. Keep in mind that replacing with an empty value effectively removes what you found from the cell, which can be useful for clearing out unwanted characters. Now you're ready to apply the change. Click Replace to update the current match that's highlighted in your sheet. This is a safe way to go one by one and confirm each change as you move through your data. If you're confident that every match should be updated the same way, click Replace All to apply the change across the entire sheet at once. By default, Google Sheets searches the active sheet, and Replace All will make changes wherever the value is found. Before you commit to a big change, it's smart to try Replace on a couple of examples to make sure the results look right. And if you ever replace more than you intended, don't worry. You can immediately undo the action to revert your sheet to its previous state. That's all there is to it. Using Find and Replace makes cleaning up and standardizing your data fast and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy editing in Google Sheets.